We believe the smart kitchen will be a step change in the way consumers enjoy preparing food in the kitchen with Kenwood appliances. We are able to develop a really intuitive interface to combine with a product to really enhance that cooking experience. I think we see the future being them able to have a full complement of being able to meal plan, nutritional benefits, preparing food with what they have in their fridge, and it becomes a hassle-free experience for those consumers to be able to prepare great food at home.
Smart kitchen, I think, is a little bit of an ambiguous term. First of all, understanding the fact that making food is part of our social fabric. It's one of those things that everyone wants to be that person who can just step into a kitchen, open the fridge, and figure out what they're going to cook straight away. I think through the combination of appliances that deeply integrate with recipes in what we call appliance-ready recipes, coupled with the meal planning, coupled with the nutritional information, with ingredient delivery and all of these different pieces combined, can make an experience whereby all the pain points of creating and cooking delicious food, as Mark said, at home are gone, and that it suddenly becomes accessible. And that's really what we're most focused on.
One of the things for me, I think it's easy today to say we want to connect a product. It's probably been the easiest part of the process to connect the product. It's really more about what experience you want to give to the consumer. And I think this is where most of the dialogue and discussion has been about, is how do we really give the consumer a first-class experience when they're trying to use a connected product. And my personal view is today within the kitchen, nobody is doing a good job on that. And I think our product is the first product that truly enhances the experience for the consumer in the kitchen. Drop very much share our vision for the future of the smart kitchen. What we both want to do is achieve delivering better consumer experiences for people who already know how to cook, or people that are maybe trying to cook or improve their culinary skills. And I think once we started the dialogue going between of us, we both realised that our mission was the same. We had the same goal to try and bring that to today's consumers. And I think that's ultimately what we've managed to achieve through this partnership.
I think to date, Kenwood have done such an amazing job of building products that can empower and inspire people to be able to make great food at home. That's why I think we're so incredibly proud and excited about this collaboration and sort of bringing all of these different pieces together. In time, having thousands of recipes that can build up people's repertoire of cooking great food.
Obviously, going into the agreement, we knew that Drop had a strong understanding of development of hardware as well as software through the Drop scale that's been sold globally in Apple stores at the time that we launched. But we knew they could help us take where we have expertise in product, help us with the digital experience in bringing those two together in what is a very, very complex situation and a product that we were actually trying to bring to the market. And I think it's been a testament to the strength of the relationship that we've ended up where we've ended up today.
I think this product is going to set a new standard for connected devices in the kitchen. I think it's going to set a new standard for connected devices in the home in general. I think just how deep that integration is. And I think we've only been able to do that from, bringing both of our experiences together.
Obviously, the product itself is called K-Cook Multi-Smart. It's a food processor that has the ability to cook as well. So therefore, you can not only chop great processed food, you can also then, through the cooking part, be able to fry, slow cook, those types of things, which means you can make great risottos, you can prepare goulash, all of those types of things. Even you can prepare dough, you can prepare cakes. The list is endless. As we said, there's thousands of applications that this product can do, and it's the one-stop shop that people will need in their kitchen going forward.
Yeah, I love making risotto in this product.
Yeah, it's one of the best things for risotto.
I struggled to make risotto at home myself before, but just like how easy it is to manage to do this. I think the recipes that are in the app to make it are unbelievable. But then at the same time, making a quick and easy soup that I can have during the week for lunch. I've got an 18-month-old daughter, you know, to be able to make baby food in this as well has been so helpful.
The benefit of what we've brought with the development through Drop and the, let's say, software part of the machine is really making that much simpler for the consumer to try and experience new food that maybe they wouldn't have had the confidence to do before at home.
What we try to do, or hope to do at least, is just make sure that all of those features just become accessible to the end user. Just make sure that, you know, it's they know exactly how to set it up perfectly. You know, one touch button and it sends all the right settings. You see photos and videos at the right time of exactly how to set up the appliance. So I think all the unbelievable engineering and design that has gone into the product become, again, completely accessible to the end user. So they can make, you know, soups, stews, risottos, goulashes, baby food, and all of these different pieces as well.
From consumer trends that maybe people's cooking habits are different during the week to the weekend. People obviously have more time generally at the weekend, but time is still precious, and obviously the ability with this product, with also the app, is that you can you know, set the machine, forget, and then it tells you during that process how far the cooking is into the cycle, and also tells you you don't have to be in the same room to ultimately know the product, the food is cooked and ready to be eaten. And so it allows people to spend more time doing the things that they like to do as well around the home. Ultimately, it's about how do we inspire our consumers to create great food at home. And I think, you know, that has to be our mission where we use the ecosystem. We have to be conscious that we're not just using it as a gimmick, but we're using it for some real consumer benefit.
And I think that's really the focus for us over the next while. You know, I think that, again, leveraging the technologies that are available to us from voice, from machine learning, from machine vision, to make sure that we are delivering the best consumer experience possible, and leveraging new sensors, integrating into new appliances, and then from there bringing, you know, ingredient delivery, meal planning, and much more. We've got a very exciting future to come.